Ready to help a struggling reader excel in reading or support a student learning in a different language? Then you're ready to try the Immersive Reader tool. All right, let's dive into how this Immersive Reader works. Right now, I'm in an online Word document, and I'm going to go to View and click on Immersive Reader. Once this loads, I have a number of options to choose from. Going over here to the AA text preferences, I can change the size of the text, increase the spacing, decrease the spacing, change the font, also change the themes. I do have additional colors to choose from here as well. I can show the source formatting or not. You can see how that turns off and on with this bold option here. Then at the top, I have the grammar options. I can have the syllables off or on. You can see how it adds the dots in there. Then you'll also see I have the parts of speech. I can change the text color to a different color and turn them off or on. Showing the labels or not is also an option. I also have reading preferences here, clicking on the book. I can turn on my line focus and decide if I want it to show 5 lines of text when reading, 3, or 1. This helps the student really focus in on what the Immersive Reader is reading. So that can be on or off. I do have a picture dictionary, which is really cool. I can click on any word, such as number, and it will give me a picture. And then it will also let me listen to that word in the written language.
Number.
And I can go change this into the translation language over here under Translate. I'm going to go down to Spanish. And now when I click on number,
Número.
I can hear the translation in Spanish. I can also have it read the whole document to me in Spanish as well. By turning on Document, you can see that the written language now changed to Spanish, and I can have it read it to me in Spanish by clicking the play button.
Su nombre. Nombre del instructor. Número de curso.
If I want it to come back to English, I can click on Original. And you can see I can easily toggle between the two. And again, I can press play to have it read it to me in English.
Number. Date. Title.
You will also see options down here for voice settings. You'll notice that the voice is very realistic. If you use the Immersive Reader on your Microsoft Word software on your computer, the voice sounds more like a computer. Whereas if you use it online like we're doing now, it does sound very lifelike. You can change the voice speed and also decide if you want a female or male voice. I can click up here in the top and enter full screen, which does just that, enters into full screen. Immersive Reader has proven to be beneficial with improving reading speed, improves word recognition and comprehension, and also keeps the reader's attention. Immersive Reader is available using OneNote, Word, Outlook, Office Lens, Microsoft Edge browser, and Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've received value from this video. And make sure to check out Every Teacher Tech Ready on Facebook to stay up to date on everything educational technology.